How do you make the most of a coaching session? I've got 3 suggestions. The first one is that you come prepared to that session. So before the session, think about the topic for the coaching and the kind of result you're looking for. Quite often I'll have clients come into a session with me and say, "Oh, Fran, I didn't have time. I've just come out of a meeting. My head's still in the meeting." And that's okay. We spend the first few minutes of the session talking about what the topic might be. But that's valuable time. Ideally, you would spend that time beforehand. 5-10 minutes is enough usually to save time in the session. If you find routinely that you're not prepared for meetings, including coaching sessions, a great topic to work on in coaching is time management. So you could begin there. The second tip is to trust yourself and trust the process. Coaching is different from mentoring. It's different from having a one-on-one with your manager because a coach doesn't want to give you advice. That's like our last resort, okay? Really, I would like to see you find your own solution, and I believe that your solution is the best because it's 100% personalized, right? My job is to be a thinking partner, to help you to explore, to have new insight, to open up new possibilities. In fact, brain scans have shown that non-directive coaching, which is non-advisory, stimulates the right part of the brain where creativity and creative thinking happen. Okay, because my idea is to help you have insights. So trust yourself, trust the process, and believe that if you sit with someone for 30-45 minutes and reflect and explore, you will find your way and it will be the best way. And the final suggestion I have for you is to have a very tight focus and deep dive. So if you say, for example, time management, that's a huge issue. If you can find within that one focus, for example, how to say no more. You're saying yes to everything. And then you deep dive into how does saying yes to everything manifest in your life in general? Have you been doing this in other areas of your life outside work? Where does this come from? What need are you trying to get filled by saying yes? Going deeper into really who you are and where this appears in other areas and where it came from, and a whole new way of looking at things or getting needs met will be harder work because it's more vulnerable, more courageous, but it can reap bigger rewards, a bigger change. So those are the 3 suggestions, and just recapping: come prepared, trust the process, trust yourself, and dive deep. I hope that gives you a better idea of what coaching is. There's a lot of confusion in the area of what it is, and helps you have a good session. Thank you so much for watching this video.